In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and edit a tag color in Asana. It's a straightforward process that can enhance your project management experience by helping you visually organize your tasks quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. We'll start by heading over to Asana's website. Open your preferred web browser and go to asana.com. Once there, you'll want to log into your account, enter your credentials, and you'll find yourself on your Asana dashboard, where all your projects and tasks are just a few clicks away. Next, we need to navigate to the project where you want to adjust the tag color. Tags are a great way to categorize tasks, and colors can play a significant role in this visual organization. Once inside the project, locate and open a task that has the particular tag you're interested in changing. Upon opening the task, you should see a list of tags associated with it, typically displayed just under the task title. Click on the tag itself. This action will open up the tag menu, a feature designed to provide an overview and some quick options for managing your tags. Now hover your mouse over the tag you wish to change. You'll notice a pencil icon or an edit option appearing, signaling that you can make changes. Go ahead and click on this to proceed to the editing stage. With the editing menu open, you'll find a color palette feature at your disposal. This is where the magic happens. Take a moment to consider which color best represents the tag. Maybe you want something bold and bright so it stands out, or perhaps a softer hue to blend in more subtly. Once you've made your decision, go ahead and select that new color. For convenience, Asana allows you to apply the color change without much hassle. You can either click the Save button if available, or simply click outside the palette area to set the change in motion. Finally, you'll want to confirm that all the adjustments have been applied properly. Return to your task view and check out the tag to ensure it's reflecting the new color choice. This small but mighty tweak can help team members navigate the project more easily, especially when deadlines are approaching or priorities need a quick visual distinction. And there you have it, a newly colored tag ready to enhance your productivity further and keep your team aligned. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Asana experience just a little bit brighter. For more tips on optimizing your project management tools, don't forget to check out our other videos. Happy organizing!